Okay, I'm back to following the Bentley manual, and it says remove tensioner 1 for ribbed belt, and they appear to be pointing to this fellow. So yes, I believe that's it, and we have to remove it. We have a drift in there from before. Oh, I'm going to try and remove it. It's a big hex, so I'm going to find a large hex bit. So let's see here. Even this is too small. So the very largest hex bit I have, I guess, is it. This guy. Fortunately, I only have a 3/8 inch drive for it. But let's see if I can put an adapter on and use a breaker bar on it, because it looks pretty hefty. So will this work is the big question. Wait a second. Eventually 3/8, yes, that's right. And there goes nothing. Oh, easy peasy. Didn't even need a 1/2 inch drive, I don't think. So this may well have been the part that failed. I don't know. So it is a tensioner. You can see it's spring loaded. So we remove that. Sweet. Illedini. Record ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay. I will suspend operations.